In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can enable remaining battery time in Windows 11. So let's get started. So for this, we need to use the registry editor. So go ahead and go to search bar and type regedit. Registry editor will appear under the best match. Click on that. So simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. Click on the HK local machine. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Locate system. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then here you have to locate current control set. Click on that folder and click on the arrow to expand the list. Now we need to look for control folder under current control set. Click on that. Click on the arrow to expand the list. And then here we have to look for power. So simply scroll down. And once you find power, okay, click on the power folder and on the right pane you will find this option, energy estimation enabled. Okay. Energy estimation enabled. Double click and change the value data to 0. Click on OK. Energy estimation enabled. Click on that and change the value data to 0. Click on OK. Then right click at the start button, select new, select DWORD 32-bit value. Name this capital E. Energy estimation disabled. Okay. Energy estimation disabled. Simply double click and simply change the value data to 1 and then click on OK. The same thing as what you can see on the screen, no spaces in between. And then right click, select new, select DWORD 32-bit value. Name this user battery discharge estimator. Okay, the same thing as what you can see on the screen, user battery discharge estimator with no spaces in between. Double click and change the value data to 1 and then click on OK. After that, you have to right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart, and that will enable the remaining battery time on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.